Another day, another match, and another fantastic man of the match performance by the man himself, Virat Kohli. And RCB grabbed the win today, and they go back again on the second position on the points table, where they are on 10 points right now, and they are looking really strong in terms of defending the trophy this year. तो आज का मैच देखा जाए तो गुजरात टाइटंस ने पहले बैटिंग करी, जहां पर दे गॉट ऑफ टू अ गुड स्टार्ट. आई कैन से दे बिल्ट अ वेरी गुड पार्टनरशिप that was for Sai Sudarshan and Shubman Gill. It was something of an innings where again they could not capitalize the power play जैसे उन्होंने उम्मीद की होगी. बट एक सिचुएशन थी जहां पर साई सुदर्शन was facing more of the balls in the power play when compared to Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill did not get that much of the strike in power play. अगर हम देखा जाए तो पावर प्ले के टोटल 36 बॉल्स में से ऑलमोस्ट 29 टू 31 बॉल्स साई सुदर्शन ने खेले थे और शुभमन गिल को मात्र 5 या 6 डिलीवरीज मिली थी खेलने के लिए. तो वहां पर एक चीज दिख जाती है कि इट द एक्सेलरेशन और जो इंटेंट का जिम्मा था वो सिर्फ साई सुदर्शन के हाथ में था. एंड ही प्रीटी मच ट्राइड टू कैपिटलाइज ऑन दैट. एंड पावर प्ले हुआ था 57 रन का गुजरात टाइटंस का. तो वहां पर एक बात आ जाती है कि नाउ इट इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू नीड टू हैव टू एक्सप्लोसिव बैटर्स in your power play. These two are very classy batters, is what I can say. तो यहाँ पर शुभमन गिल needs to show a little bit more intent, जहाँ पर he has to go all guns blazing. If the field restrictions apply, तो यहाँ पर एक बात आती है कि field restrictions कितने अच्छे तरीके से implement हो सकते हैं. तो now here looking at the match, I felt Gujarat Titans fell a bit too short in terms of the total they should have been achieved. They got to 205, but मुझे लगा कि they were at least 20 run short. पर you don't take the credit away from the bowlers. That was Raseek Salamdar and you can say Suyash Sharma. फिर Kurnal Pandya did not have a good day with the ball, but I can say that he tried his best. But again, the pressure was not applicable because Sai Sudarshan played him really well. और the bouncers वो जो यूज कर रहा था, but थर्ड मैन के ऊपर उसने अपर कट दिया था साई सुदर्शन ने, which was a fantastic shot is what I can say. You never see those shots being played to an off spinner, so that's something very interesting to watch. But I can say that रसीक सलामदार ने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग करी थी. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar bowled really well. फिर Josh Hazelwood, the man, the marquee player, has really bowled well on this tournament. तो डेथ ओवर्स में बॉलिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई थी. रसीक सलामदार इंजर्ड हो गए थे टुवर्ड्स द डेथ ओवर्स और आखिरी ओवर वो बॉल नहीं कर पाए थे, जहां पर आखिरी ओवर गुजरात टाइटंस ने कैपिटलाइज करा था. जेसन होल्डर ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कैपिटलाइज करा और एक डिसेंट टोटल तक पहुंचाया अपनी टीम को. Coming on to GT's bowling, what I want to say is that Rashid Khan did not have a good day. He did manage to pick up a couple of wickets, but those wickets were more of a case where RCB was trying to accelerate and they threw their wickets away. तो यहाँ पर ना एक बात आ जाती है कि हाउ डज गुजरात टाइटंस वांट टू लुक एट देयर बॉलिंग राइट नाउ. They have great names on the paper like Mohammad Siraj, then you have great names like Kagiso Rabada, you have Rashid Khan, you have Ashok Sharma, you have these good quick pace bowlers who are really well in terms of executing a power play, which they restricted RCB to a decent enough score of 58 runs, and both the teams had an even power play over here. But still, what I can say is that that death overs which Gujarat Titan missed out on, that haunted them. Due to which they could not put in that 20 runs extra on the board, and दिख गया था मैच में कि RCB completed an over earlier. अगर 20 रन ज्यादा होते तो maybe the pressure might have been a little bit different. But you cannot take away the great innings by Virat Kohli today. What an innings! 81 of 44 deliveries, 184 का strike rate, and he is the orange cap holder. मतलब जब मैं स्कूल में था तब विराट कोहली वाज एन ऑरेंज कैप होल्डर. जब मैं कॉलेज में था तब विराट कोहली वाज एन ऑरेंज कैप होल्डर. और जब मैं कॉर्पोरेट में काम करता हूं और मैंने खुद की यूट्यूब चैनल खोली है, स्टिल विराट कोहली इज द ऑरेंज कैप विनर. तो यहाँ पर देखा जाए तो सम थिंग्स डोंट चेंज. 2026 इज द न्यू 2016 इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से. But what an innings, great intent. He was lucky that his catch got dropped on zero. That was an easy catch. Washington Sundar should be kicking himself for dropping Virat Kohli on not. But again, fortune favors the brave is what I want to say. It was a brave innings by Virat Kohli. He made sure to it. He used the pace of the bowlers really well. He used the drift and flight of Rashid Khan really well in today's match. Did not let him capitalize over his batting, I can say. तो वहां पर दिख जाता है कि एक अमेजिंग लेजेंडरी क्रिकेटर की लेजेंडरी इनिंग्स कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है ऐसे सिनेरियोज में. What I want to say, the good takeaways from Gujarat is that Sai Sudarshan ka 100. Let's not take that away. I know it's 100 on a losing cause, but Sai Sudarshan ने इतनी अच्छी बैटिंग करी है आज, and he showed such good composure. But now, do you feel that there is time for Gujarat कि वो एक आध और hitters लाए अपने बैटिंग लाइनअप में who can accelerate the total और वो दे सके वो finish जहां पर गुजरात डोंट फॉल इन दैट 20-30 रन शॉट जो आज के मैच में वो फॉल करे हैं? तो इसी बात पे बताइए हमें कमेंट्स में. बट व्हेन कमिंग ऑन टू गुजरात बॉलिंग, दे ट्राइड देयर बेस्ट. Prasidh Krishna is actually not working out as he did in the previous season. He's purple Prasidh is what I want to say. But that purple patch might last a bit shorter this time around because in the middle overs he's getting picked. His length is getting picked very easily. जहां पर पता चल रहा है बैटर्स को कि he's pitching the ball in short और batsmen are capitalizing on his pace. They are foreseeing the slower one which is coming through from Prasidh Krishna. तो यहाँ पर एक बात आ जाती है. And now my question arrives on Shubman Gill's captaincy. What about Mohammad Siraj's usage in the middle overs? Can he be an efficient player to be used in the middle overs as well? I see Mohammad Siraj getting bowled 3 overs in the power play and then 1 over in the dead. Sometimes he does not even get bowled that 1 over. So sometimes that is also a big question mark for me when it comes to Shubman Gill's captaincy. But all said and done, you cannot take this match away from Virat Kohli. When the chase master decides that he wants to chase the total down, he will bloody make sure that he chases the total down. So what a knock by Virat Kohli! And tomorrow is a double header. Let's see what happens. DC might be looking for a win. They have not gotten to that form which they picked up earlier in the previous season. They have had a few losses, but they would definitely want to pick themselves up. And the big match for tomorrow is going to be RR versus SRH. We would possibly be bringing you a screening vlog for that match. So stay tuned on our channel. Stay tuned for more updates. In the meanwhile, let's just hope for a good double header tomorrow. So please like the video, please share the video, and please comment. Please let us know what did you feel about the master innings of the master Virat Kohli.